All right, COVID is back with a vengeance. So we're going to take a look at the Innovo Thermometer. It's a dual mode. It's got a forehead mode. It's got an ear mode. This is the ear mode, F2. This is the forehead mode, F1. It comes in this really cool little carrying case here. And basically it's very simple. You just pick it up, just like this. And you're going to put this end right here next to your forehead. You got to put it right on your forehead. And then you press the button. It's very simple. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you how to do it. Here's our thermometer. We take it off. And all we have to do is we're going to put this against our forehead like this. And I'm going to press this button. And that's it. Bam. 96 point what? 96.3. Bam. Let's try my ear. This one doesn't seem to work as good. 88. Well, I'm definitely hotter than that. You can try your arm too. 96.2. So that's basically how it works. To get the batteries out, you just push the bottom here. It opens. Very simple. It's run by AA batteries. Or I'm sorry, AAA batteries. And they come out very easily. You just have to get your thumb in there, pull it, pops out. This one here, got to get it from this end. You got to get it from the opposite end where the spring is. Pull it out, bam, you got your batteries out, no problem. Then to put them in, what you want to do is you want to put the negative side of the battery where the spring is, like that. And this spring's, opposite, so we got to get the negative side up. Bam. You can hear the little beep on it. It makes a little red thing. And then you're going to slide this on like this. Pop it. Bam. Bob's your uncle. Bam. There you go. And that's how you use this thing. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Tires out.